My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just under 31,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we can get access to Apple and Android CarPlay, navigation and radio. If we click on car and go into comfort and convenience, we have advanced features such as follow me home and find my car. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that the ZS comes with a rear camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have heated seats on either side, as well as 3 different driving modes to choose from. So we have Sport, Normal and Eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.